Okay, I've added a D-Wave breaker, 10 amp, and an over voltage protector, and it's set at 260 max and at 0.1 when it trips, I guess, of a second, at 9 amps. So this won't go above 260 or 9 amps, which shouldn't trip the breaker. It's a D-Wave breaker. And when I turn this on now, everything comes on just fine. I think this jumps to 0.1 something amp and then back to 0.4 amps, so it shows the amps and the volts. It's pretty cool little protector. Got the Acorn heartbeat, so I'm ready to snap all my pieces on and shut my lid and move on.